Logo Genie Pro is one such software which claims you can be up and running in no time, even if you don't have any Photoshop skills under the hood. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back and read our Logo Genie review if you're looking to break free from your overpaid graphic designers. So, what exactly is Logo Genie? Do you need it? How does it work? Do you need any technical expertise? Don't worry, we got you covered. Logo Genie Pro is a cloud-based platform on which you can create high-quality graphics and logos. Would you be surprised if we told you you don't need any Photoshop or design skills to build one yourself? This software has an array of graphics to choose from. You can start from a pre-made template, then the only limit is your imagination. It can make for a decent side income too if you decide to sell the graphics on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Odesk. How to use Logo Genie Pro in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose template. With over 300 ready-made templates to choose from, you can perpetually create an unlimited variety of logos and images on just about anything under the sun. Step 2. Edit the logo. Customize your logo with different colors, font type and size, and even add in your own custom image. Step 3. You're done. Save your final product in PNG, JPG or GIF format. If you want to use your image for offline printing, we recommend you save your image in SVG scalable vector graphics format. And what if you want to save your half-complete work? No problem. You can save your project and return to your account later to continue your masterpiece. Logo Genie Pro is versatile, offering you flexible choices with your logo design. Need a logo for your website or your product? Make your own with Logo Genie Pro. 300 pre-made beautiful templates, neatly organized into 15 categories with search function. You can edit the ready-made logos further by changing the color and adding your own customizable text. Over 200 fonts to choose from. Different types of attractive, fancy fonts. Edit the text, change font size and color, and freely place it anywhere on your logo. Generous workspace. With a canvas size of 800 x 500 pixels, you have plenty of space to unleash your creativity. Logo Genie Pro is a web-based application, thus you don't need to download any software. Log in and start creating. Create an unlimited number of logos. Create, save and delete any amount of projects in your account. There is no monthly or annual fee. Once you purchase Logo Genie Pro, your account is yours. Save in 72, 150, 300 pi. Have full control over the quality and definition of your logos. Built-in cropping tool. Freely crop and resize your logo without relying on external programs to do the same function. Who is Logo Genie Pro for? Graphic designers, internet marketers, small business owners, creative designers working for business and SME clients, webmasters, product creators. Frequently asked questions. Q. What format can I export my logo into? Image formats: JPG, PNG, GIF. Vector format, SVG, which can be opened in Illustrator. Q. How do I have a logo with transparent background? Make sure there is no color fill for your background in your artwork editor. When there is no color fill, you should see the grid system in the background. When you have completed editing your artwork, export your file as PNG. Q. When adding my own custom images using the Add Image function, what formats are accepted and what are not? Only JPG, PNG, GIF image formats are accepted. Other formats such as PSD, AI, EPS, etc. are not supported by our software. Q. Is your software a web-based or desktop application? Logo Genie Pro is a web-based application hosted on our server. It can be accessed from anywhere, anytime. Our updates are also timely and automatic, so you won't have to worry about the technical stuff to manually upgrade yourself. So, there's nothing to install. Just log in with the web browser you already have to create your logo.